everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making sour cream chicken. For that I'm going to need chicken breast cut thin. I just took one really thick, nice one and cut it up into 3 pieces. 3 tablespoons of butter, which I'll be melting. About 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, or 2.5 tablespoons, which seemed weird, but hey. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1 1/4 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of chives, paprika, and garlic powder, and 1 cup of sour cream. And starting off, the recipe will be easy. We're going to combine the sour cream, chives, garlic powder, and paprika, lemon juice, and Worcestershire sauce, and combine those all thoroughly. And assembly will be easy. You should take one of the chicken breast, put it into the sour cream mixture, make sure it is thoroughly covered, dip that into the panko breadcrumbs, and place the breaded chicken cutlet into a 9x9 pan. Alright, your dish will be a little crowded, but that's alright. If you have any of those, this is the point where we'll take that butter and try to distribute it as evenly as we can over the 3 chicken breasts. And this will be going into our oven at 350 for the next 40 minutes. And when it comes out of the oven, it will be beautifully golden brown like this. Alright, let's get a piece on a plate and try it on out. Alright, I've gone ahead and sliced up one of our chicken breast. It's perfectly cooked inside. Now all that's left to do is try it on out. I really like the flavor of it. The sour cream mixture made it moist. I think the only thing that I regret doing is putting the rest of the crumbs on it, because it almost made it a little too thick of a crust on it. But other than that, it's really good. I could see this working with a salad, obviously on its own. Maybe even Parmesan chicken cheating edition, kind of. There's a couple different possibilities. So you know the drill. Like what you saw, don't like what you saw. Yeah, leave me a comment. Leave me a like about it. I will see you in our next